Good day, viewers at home. Still on solutions to Waec 2020 questions. So we are starting today with number 21. Number 21. The expression 5x plus 3 over 6x bracket x plus 1 will be undefined when x equals to what? We are given this expression 5x plus 3 over 6x bracket x plus 1. An expression is undefined if the denominator is equal to 0. So all we have to do here is to equate this denominator to 0 and find the values of x. 6x bracket x plus 1 is equal to 0. So that means 6x equals to 0 or x plus 1 equals to 0. So divide both sides by 6 here. This one will come here minus 1. So we have 0 over 6 is 0 or x equals to minus 1, which is option B. So x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 1. Those are the two values of x that we can put here that will make this expression to be undefined. Now let's take question 22. Question 22. A man is 5 times as old as his son. A man is 5 times as old as his son. We will let x be the son's age. So if the son is x, then the man will be 5x. Since the man is 5 times as old as the son. So if the son is x, the man will be 5x. In 4 years' time, the product of their ages will be 340. In 4 years' time, the product of their ages will be 340. In 4 years' time, that means if we add 4 to the age of the son and we add 4 to the age of the man, the product of these two terms will be what? 340. This is the meaning of that second statement. In 4 years' time. 4 years' time means add 4 years to the present age. So this will be x plus 4 and 5x plus 4. Then the product of their ages, that is, multiply the two ages, it will be 340. So let's open this bracket. This is 5x squared. X times 4 is 4x. 4 times 5 is 20x. And 4 times 4 is 16 equals 340. 5x squared, 4 plus 20, 24x plus 16. We bring in 340 equals 0. So that will be 5x squared plus 24x. 16 minus 340, that will be minus 324 equals 0. So we are asked to express the products in this form. So this is going to be the final answer, which is option D. Option D is the correct answer there. Number 23 is on algebra. We are asked to simplify an algebraic expression. Simplify A over B minus B over A minus C over B. So to simplify this expression, we just simply find the LCM of the denominators. And the denominators are B, A, and B. So their LCM now will be AB. AB is the LCM. If you divide AB by B, we'll be left with A. Then A times A squared. If you divide AB by A, we'll be left with B times B squared. If you divide AB by B, we have A times C, AC. So we have A squared minus B squared minus AC over AB, which is option D. Then we go to question number 24. Question number 24. This is, we have an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle. We are given that here is 6 centimeter. This is Z, X, and Y. In the diagram, X, Y, Z, we have this place is T. XYZ is an equilateral triangle of side 6 centimeter, and T is the midpoint of XY. So T is the midpoint of X and Y. Now this is an equilateral triangle, so that means this place will be 6 centimeter, and this side will also be 6 centimeter, since the three sides are equal. And we are given that this T is the midpoint of X and Y. That means this point divides the line into two. So this place will be 3 centimeter, and this will also be 3 centimeter. We have the angle 90 degrees here. We are now asked to find tan XZT. This angle theta. We are asked to find the tangent of this angle. You can call it theta. Now, we know that tangent is opposite over adjacent. That is tangent, opposite over adjacent. So that means we have to look for the value of ZT, which is represented by X. How do we get? This is a right angle triangle. Triangle XZT is a right angle triangle. So by using Pythagoras rule, we will get the value of X. X squared plus 3 squared equals 6 squared. So X squared plus 9 equals 36. X squared equals 36 minus 9. X squared equals 27. So our X will now be square root of 27. And square root of 27, 27 is not a perfect square. So that means we have to try and see if there is any perfect square that can divide 27. That is 9. 9 is a perfect square that can divide 27. So that means 27 will be 9 times 3. And now 9 times 3, square root of 9 is 3. So we can bring out the root of 9. And we are now left with only 3. So our X is 3 root 3 centimeter. So tangent of this angle now, tan theta is 3 over X. So that means tan theta will now be 3 over 3 root 3. Tan theta is 3 over 3 root 3. So we see that 3 cancels 3, we are left with 1 over root 3. So, which corresponds to option A. That is option A is the correct answer. So, we're going to stop here. In our next lesson, we'll continue from number 25. Thank you.